and welcome to our introduction to the English alphabet. The English alphabet is made up of 26 letters, starting with the letter A and ending with the letter Z. Each letter is unique and has its own shape and sound. The first letter of the alphabet is A. It's a vowel and it makes the short A sound, as in the word apple. The second letter is B. It's a consonant and it makes the short but sound, as in the word book. The third letter is C. It's a consonant and it can make either the Q sound, as in the word cat, or the SU sound, as in the word city. This pattern continues all the way through the alphabet, with each letter having its own distinct shape and sound. Learning the alphabet is an important step in learning how to read and write in English. It's also a great way to improve your pronunciation and vocabulary. So let's get started and learn the English alphabet together. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.